Welcome, everybody. The question on everyone's mind is, what is social science? Well, let me try to explain you. Social science, as in society, as in human beings, social science, as in the facts, the systematic study of a thing, the pursuit of its true nature. We seem to understand the nature of people and society, but what does it mean to be human? What does define a person? It is a history, it is ancestry, how it works, life, struggle. Ancestry is important, but location is paramount.
The main reason why it is important to study the social sciences is because the knowledge of the social sciences can help us improve our societies. When we study the social sciences, we are studying how people put their societies together, and we are looking at the impacts of their decisions about how their societies should be run. By studying these things, we are becoming better informed about societies should be put together. Studying the social sciences can provide us with so many important answers and observations that may help improve the understanding of our lives, and thus help us to improve our interactions with each other. The social sciences can provide insight into all types of social situations, such as raising children, romantic relationships, family relationships, friendships, workplace relationships, interactions with strangers, cultural differences, and so on.
The social sciences include cultural, anthropology, sociology, social psychology, political science, and economics. Also, frequently include our social and economic geography, and those areas of education that deals with the social context of learning and the relation of the school to the social order.
When the social sciences bought company from evolutionary biology almost exactly a century ago, they did so at a time when evolutionary biology was still very much in its infancy. And many key issues were unresolved. As a result, the social sciences took away with them an understanding of evolution that was in fact based on the 18th rather than 19th century biology. We argue that contemporary evolutionary thinking has much more to offer than the social sciences that most people have assumed. Contemporary evolutionary research on human behavior focuses on two main issues at a microsocial scale: understanding the trade-off in individual decisions and making and understanding the cognitive constraints that limit flexibility of decisions.
There's an opportunity to test your hypothesis on a human behavior, and with rigorous research behind you. Social science research follows the same scientific method as the other research. It starts from the topic question, uses previous research to establish a hypothesis, setups a research methodology and instrumentation to test this hypothesis, proceeds with the research study, and analyze the results. Education, economics, history, and anthropology are just some of the disciplines labeled as social science. If the field of study is focused on development or existence of the human interaction, it's a social science. You might hear people discuss social science by calling it soft science, in comparison to a natural or formal science, such as biology, chemistry, or mathematics, which are often called hard science. This term can cast social science in a negative light by implying it lacks rigor and objectivity. In social science, we strive for perfection, but imperfection is the sense of the human condition. We're changing all the time. This is good, and social science research can use the power of change to make strides in human understanding. Literacy is an example. Literacy rates have risen across the world over the past 50 years, in large part because social scientists have engaged studies to build a base of knowledge. Some of these studies were descriptive. They isolate a variable like illiteracy and provide information on the details of the variable and what should be studied. Others were correctional. They look at the relationship between illiteracy and other indicators such as age, race, income, and more. And others were experimental. They put a remedy which we would call an intervention into a test, group, and track its progress.